Well, welcome back. We are tracking some strong thunderstorms that are moving south finally into the region right now. Storm Team 10 meteorologist Kevin Orpert's here with me to help make sure we have all the updates as a Storm Team 10 pair here. So, Kevin, good amount with this rain, probably.
Yeah, I was just looking at some of the information here, Joseph, and these storms, especially up around Champaign, where you can see there, they're raining. They've already gotten 2.5 inches of rain, and so these storms are producing some very, very heavy amounts of rain. Of course, we also have some warnings, primarily because of some very, very heavy rain and gusty wind. We had a tornado warning earlier, but that was allowed to expire.
Yes, that tornado warning was in Fountain County. Now we do have some severe thunderstorm warnings. Kevin mentioned heavy rain and even some strong wind. I just want to point out on the radar, and I'm going to circle this, that line of green right there, that's called an outflow boundary. That usually indicates some strong wind in front of the storms and some cooler air. So these are going to bring in some strong storms across the region, and that's something that we will watch. And Kevin's going to step me through the warnings real fast here across the region so we can kind of get some of you updated with that, because it's just in Illinois right now. So here's a look at the Storm Team 10 storm tracker for Illinois counties, and there's Vermilion County there. Severe thunderstorm warning until 9:30 in Illinois, 10:30 Eastern time. We will be watching to see if that does move into Vermilion County in Indiana here. Also, we do have off to the west this big line of thunderstorms. We have the lightning, we have the strong wind, the heavy rainfall. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Douglas County up to Champaign County, off to the west there from Moultrie County until 9:30 in Illinois time as well. So these are the severe thunderstorms that we will be watching as this storm does slowly sag off to the south and head to the east. They could be stronger. They will have some heavy rainfall along with it. This area right here from Champaign to Danville, not quite in our region yet, but a lot of flash flooding problems too. That will be a concern as we head through the overnight as these storms move very slow with a lot of moisture. We could see some localized flooding, so we will watch that as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. Here's one cell that is popping up right here, and you can see that they just warned this area, and I do believe that will be the strong wind and a lot of lightning and heavy rainfall there. And that is Shelbyville, I believe, just off to the west there. So this line of storms is slowly going to make its way towards us, and I will make sure that I have you covered as we head through the overnight hours, as we do watch the strong storms develop here across the region. We do have an enhanced risk for this whole area in orange. We will continue to watch that as we do have a severe thunderstorm watch for these counties in Illinois until 3 a.m. and the counties here in Indiana, Vermilion Park and Putnam counties until 1 a.m. So we're dealing with a line of thunderstorms that are really going to affect us through the overnight, and we'll have you covered here through the overnight. Kevin and myself will be here to keep you there covered. What we're tracking through, though, is heavy rain and strong wind. I just showed you that on the radar. It's going to be here, and it will move on through. The Storm Team 10 Futurecast will show this line moving through for the overnight as 3 a.m. comes along. It's still sticking out the Wabash Valley. That's why it doesn't move out very fast. We'll have to watch these severe thunderstorms as we go through the overnight and into tomorrow for your morning commute, because we could see some heavy rainfall here across the Wabash Valley. Here's your 7-day forecast real fast. We do have 86 for our Tuesday, 7 o'clock, 87 for our Wednesday rather, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures in the 80s and more rain chances across the board.